Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve locked account on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve locked account on TikTok app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you can click as you see. After that, in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here in this window you will enter to storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.